Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make peanut butter bars. To make these, you will need 200 grams of chocolate. You can either use dark chocolate or milk chocolate. I'm using milk chocolate. 200 grams of biscuit. I'm using Marie biscuit. 1/3 cup of butter and half a cup of peanut butter. I'm using all natural peanut butter without any sugar or salt added to it. So let's get started. I'm going to start by powdering the biscuits. Now that I've powdered my biscuits, I'm going to add in my melted butter and peanut butter. Remember to mix it thoroughly. Now we need to grease a rectangular or square-shaped tray. We're going to use our biscuit mixture to make a base. We need to press the mixture to make a base. Now that our base is set, we can begin melting our chocolate. I've melted the chocolate and now we're going to spread it on top of the base. Some extra peanut butter for decoration. Preparation is done and now we're going to refrigerate this for 2 hours to get our yummy bars. I've taken this out of the refrigerator after 2 hours. Look, it's set so well. Now we need to leave this in room temperature for around 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's slice this and enjoy our peanut bars. Going to taste this. It's so nice. You should definitely try this at home. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you know when my new videos are coming. Thank you for watching my video and see you next time. Bye. 1/3 cup of butter. It's so cold. Gosh, I'm getting scared. I'm gonna cut myself or something. This is too cool. How much time do I have to wait for this? It's really